What constitutes abuse in the state of Florida? I'm attorney Paul John Scanziani, and I can answer that question for you because I'm an attorney with over 10 years experience in the area of family law. I've been with my wife, who's a judge, for almost 30 years, and I have helped clients deal with abuse, both mental and physical, and sometimes have them get divorced. In the state of Florida, abuse is when there's an imminent danger that escalates that you no longer feel safe. There's different types of abuse. There's mental abuse and there's physical abuse. There's also abuse to your children if you have some, and your duty as a parent to protect them. Abuse is one of those words that we all wish didn't exist. We do not want anyone to be abused or feel abused. We do not want someone mentally abused. We don't want somebody physically abused. And we definitely don't want you to be doing that to somebody else. Unfortunately, the sad reality is that there is a lot of abuse that goes on within marriages. Here in the state of Florida, we have seen where perhaps one spouse is battering the other physically. And in the state of Florida, which could be seen as something that doesn't make sense at first glance, if you're the battered spouse, if you're the one receiving the physical abuse, if you don't stop your spouse from physically abusing you and there's children present, then you could lose your children by putting them in danger by allowing you and the children to continue to be in the presence of the spouse that's abusing you. So, like I said, this is a concept that is very important, very serious, and you're going to need to speak to an attorney to see, does this abuse rise to a level that I am no longer safe and I have a legal responsibility to protect myself and my children? Or is this something that counseling perhaps can fix? Many different issues. The main thing is, abuse is wrong. Do not abuse your spouse, and don't let yourself get abused. If you have children, don't let your children witness that abuse. And if they do witness that abuse, then speak to an attorney, get the help that you need, whether it's by calling the police, getting counseling, going into a shelter, whatever it may be. Abuse is wrong. And attorneys like myself and our firm are there for you to help answer your questions. So if you have any questions about abuse in the state of Florida, how it impacts your life, and whether a divorce is needed or necessary, please feel free to reach out to the office or to ask any other question regarding family law. Thank you so much.